Hello everyone, welcome back to Jim's Garage Toys, and today I just thought I would talk about a little something that if you don't drive your cars a lot, that you want to do, and that's just some battery maintenance and upkeep on them. So I have quite a few cars. I don't drive all of them all the time. I actually have a company truck, so I don't have to commute with any of my cars. It's mostly just fun miles. So what I do when I'm not driving them is I keep a battery tender or a trickle charger hooked up to them so that the battery is maintained well, it doesn't go dead, and it keeps the electrons flowing in it, and it will last a lot longer for you. So I just thought I would touch base with this and show you real quick what you need to do that and make it a nice, quick, and easy process when you want to plug your car in. So I've got the back hatch open. Here's my GR Corolla, and I don't want the battery going dead, so for those periods of times where it might be a little while that I drive it, I want to go ahead and hook up my battery tender. And there's two ways that you can do it. It comes with something with alligator clips that you can just snap on, but it also comes with a cord that I can go ahead and use the rings, the eyelets on. There's a built-in fuse for it. And then on the other end, there's a quick disconnect. So let me pop this off real quick. So there you can see the quick disconnect. So this is designed to attach to your battery and just leave, so that way you can real quickly plug it in. Now, on the other side of this, so here is one. There's a battery tender. I've got this one plugged in right now. This cord, you can see it right here, and it runs up to the battery in the back of my MR2 right there. So when before I put and lift the car up, I plug it in, and that way I have it ready to go. If the light is green, I know the battery's in good condition and it's doing its thing. So I want to be able to hook up this other adapter to my GR Corolla so that I can make it quick and easy for me to keep a good charge on the battery when it's not being driven. Or sometimes, I'll leave for vacation. If I'm gone for a few weeks, then I want to go ahead and have that done that way too. So real quick, I'm just going to go ahead and attach the negative side, so right here, and I'm going to attach the positive side right there. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you. Now you can see that is connected to the negative terminal. And what I did is, on this car anyway, there's this little terminal here, and it had a 10mm bolt underneath it, but it removed this whole thing. And so what I did is I just found another 10mm nut and just put it right on top of that. Use that to fasten this. Ran the cord up and under and connected that in the traditional way with just the nut on there, as you can see. And now I have my cord. Anytime I want, I can just leave that tucked in here like that. And when I want to use it, I just reach in, pull it out, plug it in, and I'm good to go. So anyway, just a quick little thing, something that a lot of people don't think about. Hope that helps any of you. Sure will help you from having to replace batteries prematurely. Take care of those batteries in the cars you don't drive a lot, guys. So thank you much. Thanks for joining me. Take care, and we'll see you down the road.